Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to launch programs with Flow Launcher step by step. If you want to open your favorite software without searching through the Start menu or desktop shortcuts, Flow Launcher makes the process fast and effortless. So let's get started. First, make sure Flow Launcher is installed and running on your Windows computer. To open it, press the default keyboard shortcut, which is usually Alt and space. The Flow Launcher search bar will appear in the center of your screen, ready for your input. Next, start typing the name of the program you want to open. You don't need to type the full name because Flow Launcher searches in real time and displays matching results almost instantly. In most cases, the correct program will appear at the top of the results list. Once you see the program you want, use the up and down arrow keys to highlight it if necessary, then press Enter to launch it. You can also click the program with your mouse, but using the keyboard is usually the quickest option. If the program doesn't appear, make sure it's properly installed on your computer and check that Flow Launcher has permission to search installed applications. You can also review the launcher settings and refresh the search index if you've recently installed new software. After a little practice, you'll be able to open programs in just a few keystrokes, making your daily workflow much faster and more efficient. And that's it. You now know how to launch programs with Flow Launcher quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.